Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Soumya Mittal. I'm a neurologist and today I'll talk to you about neurology and COVID-19. Now COVID-19 is a new infection. It's a new disease which we all have been dealing with and lots of people are getting affected by it across the globe. So today I'll be talking about COVID-19 and specifically with some information about the neurological aspects of this disease. So first of all, who can be affected? Now anyone who has a history of contact with a COVID-19 patient or has traveled to a country or place or a district where we have a COVID-19 patients, which are the hotspots of COVID-19, might be involved, might be affected. A person might be more affected if he has diabetes, hypertension, stroke. These are some of the pre-existing conditions which, if present in a person, will predispose the person to developing COVID-19. And the commonest symptoms of COVID-19 are cough, cold, breathlessness and fever. Or most of them are like flu-like symptoms. So everyone knows about these things. Today, I'll add about how a neurological symptom or a neurological patient might be affected with COVID-19. So the commonest symptoms are development of weakness, especially on one side of the body, loss of consciousness, development of seizures. Now, if any of these three symptoms have developed suddenly in you or in one of your neighbors, someone around you, please refer him to a neurologist immediately. This might be the development of COVID-19 symptoms on the neurological aspect of it. On the other symptoms like headaches, vertigos, reduced smell of sense, muscle pain also can indicate development of COVID-19 or involvement of COVID-19. It may also cause lack of memory and shaking of hands, legs and neck. Now these are the common symptoms which might affect a person neurologically. Some of the patients might develop these symptoms even without developing cough, cold, breathlessness and fever. So how does one prevent getting affected by COVID-19? First and foremost, keep taking your regular medicines and immunity boosters can help. Second, maintain your self-hygiene, wear gloves and mask, stay safe, keep your hands well washed, avoid fake news, eat and sleep well, avoid crowds, do not try to self-medicate with the medicines which have been widely being talked about in the news. Talk to your doctor immediately if you feel you have COVID-19. That is very important. Most important, do not be scared or embarrassed if you have COVID-19. If you feel you have COVID-19, come forward, get it tested. That is very, very important. Thank you.